From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the Wednesday afternoon communication shift. This is our last video of the semester, and for Andy and I, this is actually our last video for CWS as a whole, as we are graduating in a little bit over a week.
Yes, it's coming up quickly. Definitely went by fast.
Yeah, and it's going by fast, just like this rain that we're going to talk about coming up. But let's send it over to Ben Davenport for more information on current conditions.
Thanks, Kellyanne and Andy. Hope everyone's having a great start to their Wednesday. If we look outside, though, it is not a great start. Low visibility is out there at the Nittany Lion Cam, and those temperatures are pretty cold, about 54 degrees right now. Feels like 54, and those dew points are high at about 50 degrees, so it almost feels like saturation out there. However, there is no wind, it is calm, so if you get out there, just a light jacket is all you need. No real winter jackets right now. But if we do look at those visibilities, like I said, low visibility here in State College, only about 3 miles. If we do look over to our north and east, again, 3 miles up in Scranton, 4 down in Allentown, 2.5 down in Philly. However, if we look to our west, the visibilities do go up, 10 in Johnstown and 10 in Pittsburgh. If we look at the rest of the state for those current conditions, it is pretty much the same story. Cloudy and cold, 54 here in State College, 52 and raining up in Erie. And if we look down into our south and east, Philly, 60 and cloudy, Allentown, 58 and cloudy. Now I'll send it back over to Kellyanne and Andy.
Thanks for that, Ben. And now with more information on what we're expecting in the next couple of hours here, we're going to go over to Matthew Ludwig.
Thanks, guys. As you can see, we do have a few rain showers scattered across the state, mostly in the eastern half of the state. There is another line of showers trying to form in the western part of the state, which will move through the state throughout the day. Zooming out across the rest of the mid-Atlantic into the northeast, we see that most of the rain has moved off to the northeast, into upstate New York, into southern New England. So for the rest of the day, as you can tell by the lack of activity to our south and west, that the rest of the day shouldn't be that bad of a day, just cloudy, a couple of off and on rain showers. As we move on through tonight, clouds will stick around. We will have lows into the mid-40s and upper 30s in a few locations before we clear out tomorrow with temperatures rising back into the mid-60s, mid-50s, upper 50s in a couple locations. If you go down to the southeast, we will be in the lower to mid-60s. As we move on through to tomorrow night, we see the temperatures will drop into the mid-40s before some rain showers start to creep back on up from the south. Guys, back to you.
Thanks, Matthew. Now we're going to send it over to Laura Shed with more on tonight's forecast as well as tomorrow's forecast.
Thanks, guys. So for today here in State College, those scattered showers are going to be lingering around. Highs, though, in the upper 50s for here in State College. So overall, not a terrible day. But as we head into this evening, those showers will be clearing off as the night progresses. Overnight lows around 41 degrees, so not terrible. But as we head into our day on Thursday, it is going to be a relatively nice day. Those clouds will be decreasing throughout the day with our highs in the lower 60s. Back to you guys.
And thank you for that, Laura. And now to Carl Schneider with the 7-day forecast.
Thanks, guys. Over the next 7 days, we will be seeing the nicest day of the next 4 will be tomorrow at 63 degrees. That chance of rain, as we mentioned for Friday, that clears out for Saturday, although it will be a chilly day. But look at this warming trend next week into the 50s, 60s, and even into the mid-70s by Tuesday. I think Wednesday of next week, I wouldn't be surprised to see 80 degrees. So it will be a really nice end to the semester here at Penn State.
Thanks, Carl. I don't know about you, Andy, but I'm really excited for these warmer temperatures and sunny skies.
Yes, it's been a long time coming, and I'm finally ready for some warmth and what feels like actually spring here in State College.
So hopefully we get to enjoy that soon. But anyway, that's all the time that we have for this afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly in class.
And I'm Andy Moffett.
Have a great day.